Hi, good days. This is Kent Lau Chee Yong. I would like to share with you how to add sections. Now, assuming that we have a slide like this, right? We go to the bottom, we go to slide sorter, and we take a look, right? So, yes, there's a lot of data here, right? But the thing is that it is not really well organized. So, what we can do is that we select a few slides and organize into a sections and select a few more slides into another sections. So how do you do that? Go back to the normal slides, normal view, right? And now, for example, that these are all introductions slides. So I can select the four slides together, right? Hold on the first one and hold on the last one, right? And right click, choose add section, add section, and give them a name called introductions, and click on the rename buttons, right? You can see that this is now name as introduction, but you see, right, actually it's range. It actually name all the following sections, so no problem, right? Select the next feels like, say these are the two important things, right, I want to talk about, right? But way before that, I would like to add another slide but a different layout. So I go to new slide and I choose section header. Yes, that's it. This is the one, right? So we tell people that we are going to uh, topic number one, right? It's about advanced function, and then I move it over here, right? So the next three sections could be something else, right? We can also add more. Could be index, could be anything more, right? It could be, oh, could be some if function, right? And yes. So number five to number 9 is the section for advanced function. So I right click here and I choose add section, and I give them call topic 1, enter. And again, right, it will actually do these two as well, right? So I'm do the same by highlighting this two, right click X section solutions. So these are all the sections that talk about solutions, right? And I forgot to add sections, right? Can use a new slide, check on section header and move here and they say that. Okay, so that's all, right? And finally, the last three X sections. And again, I just do for the, sorry, not X sections, right? Select these three, right click X section, and go for ending. So click rename, right? And that's all, right? So we have altogether a lot of sections, right? But how many sections do we have? Just right click on here and you choose collapse all. Well, at a glance, where we have four sections. First is introductions, topics, solutions, ending, and that is how we use sections. Next, we can also click this and drag over here, right? And while you are in slide sorter view, you can do the same. You can right click expand all, right? You can drag this all over here, or maybe you want the solution come first, then only topic. You can do so, right? So this is a very handy way to manage a group of slide, right, all at once, right? Click the slide header, the section header. You can move all these three slides to a different position. And how do you remove the sections? Simple. Right click on the topic and you choose remove section. And you can also remove section and the slide altogether. right? And you can rename, right? You can move the section up, you can right click and move the section down. Yes, you can expand, you can collapse it, and that is how you use section. And thanks for watching.